Alright, TNT, hope you're having a great weekend so far. It's time to get things started, and we get things started off on a great note. Thanks to the folks at Great Foods. This morning, I am using their salami logs. This is really something that I remember from a long time ago. Great Foods brings back so many memories, and you have the opportunity with the salami logs, not just in the slices, but when it comes like this, you can kind of manipulate it how thick you want it. If you want squares, quarters, and you can manipulate it how you want. So that's just so fantastic, and so much flavor built in to the Great Foods salami logs. I am spiking it up even further this morning. I am doing a chili spiced salami salad. That's soaked in? That's right. So I have some chili flavored oil here. Now you can just use olive oil or ordinary oil. I just wanted a little spicy this morning, so I'm just going to get a little bit of chili oil kind of just in my pan to get nice and hot there while I start working on, I'll start with my salami. So I want my salami, as I said, in some nice big chunks. So I'm doing about 1, 2, 3. With that now, I can quarter. So you know, salad, sometimes you have like croutons, those nice little toasty bread croutons. Why have bread croutons when you can have these wonderful chunks of salami to replace bread croutons? Isn't that fantastic? That's great. So that's all I'm doing. Let me see if I need another log. And I want to get these here. I just really, as I said, want to toast them up and flavor them in my oil. I'll probably just throw one more in there for good measure. Bam, bam. Yeah, my pan looks nice and full now. I'm satisfied with that. Working on my lettuce while my salami is working there. So any type of lettuce you want to work with, you can feel free to work with. And really just a nice little chop of a rough chop of the lettuce. I don't like my lettuce over fine in a salad, so I like nice big chunks of lettuce. So I'm working with nice chunks of lettuce. So this is one of my pet peeves, guys. See this guy here? Can we get a close-up, guys? Make sure we get a close-up. If you give me this in a salad, I may just throw it back in your face. No violence, but this really not supposed to be going in anything that's edible. So I put that away and I get my lettuce leaves there. That's the base of my salad. I have some grated carrots. This is a nice healthy salad, guys, with my salami. So I'm tossing my grated carrots, simple grated carrots. I have some, I love color, so I'm using some wonderful sweet peppers, and I got yellow sweet peppers in the supermarket this morning. So yellow sweet peppers going in there, nice mixed in there. I have a red onion. So as I said, you can use an ordinary yellow onion, but because I like color, I'm going with a red onion this morning, and I just really just want a nice simple chop. When it's like this, all I need to do now is really just separate the slices and spread that red onion all over there. Red onion has a nice little sweetish flavor, I think, to it. A little sweeter than the ordinary yellow onion, I think. It's just a little nicer than, according to the type of flavor that you're looking for as well. I have some cheddar cheese. This is where you can really just get nice and creative and use different types of cheeses. See how it's getting all nice and toasty there, guys? Really, I just, as I said, want to make sure that both sides gets the same sort of sear on either side. Working nicely there. And I want some cheese bites in my salad. So I'm just doing very simple cheese bites. You can grate the cheese as well, but I always think that sometimes biting into what you want is always so good. So nice little cheese cubes that will go into the salad there as well. In there. Many of those who may have followed my story, I will remember when I was on my weight journey. I really grew to love salads. And I didn't just eat it because I had to eat it. I grew to love it, and not only growing to love eating salads, but what I grew and understood how to do was how to flavor salads using what I love, meats. So I would be able to eat a full salad once there's a nice roasted chicken or seared salmon or some wonderful salami. Once I have a nice protein, a nice meat there, I can have as much salad as I want and not feel guilty. So it's a nice way, guys, to make sure and eat healthy and still eat what you like so you don't feel you're depriving yourself too much. I have some tomatoes that I just want to get in there. Tomatoes also, as I said, I love tomatoes, and if you love tomatoes, make sure and get tomatoes in your salad. I also like, if you recognize, I like chunky salads. I like to be able to bite in. I don't like the ingredients to get too lost in there when I'm doing a salad. So really important for me to not cut up my ingredients overly fine. There you go, nice color popping there. Do I have everything there? Yeah, so I'm sprinkling just about a half of lime juice in there, guys, just to make sure that's tossed in there nicely. Yeah. To that, let me just dry my hands. Very, very simple here now, guys. Salt. Don't hold back too much. You gotta season up that salad. Some pepper. And I also just have some chili flakes here. Remember I told you guys it's a chili spiced salami salad. So I want to get some chili flakes in there. I'm going to use my chili oil as the finisher in just a bit. So everything kind of mixed up in there. You have your lime juice, you have all your veggies, you have some lovely cheese there. And now you get this salmon. So you get the salami. So now you're gonna get this salami just there, tossed in there. Don't be afraid to get a little bit of the chili oil that you have thrown over there as well. And you can then toss this together, guys, and get everything just all mixed in. Yeah. This is a meal. This is a meal. You got your veggies and some lovely salami chunks thanks to Great Foods. And use the log so that you can manipulate however you wish. Guys, this salad, you can then do this. Some simple, lovely chili oil, just as a dressing, just a sprinkle over there. I have it wonderfully plated here, and I'm just going to do a little sprinkle here as well of the chili oil. Voila. Chili spiced salami salad. I love myself a salad ever so often, and this chili looks lovely with all these wonderful vegetables. This is the way to get your weekend off to a great start. Thanks for the folks at Great Foods. Come on back, guys. Lots to come still on the show. This is a good dish to try for mommy this weekend. Mother's Day is tomorrow. Hey.